Hey tea lovers, today we are going to be preparing cold brew tea using the mizudashi method from Japan. Mizu meaning water and dashi meaning broth. So if you've never tried cold brew tea before, you're in for a treat. By preparing your tea using the mizudashi technique, it results in a smoother and sweeter beverage for you to enjoy. What sets mizudashi apart from other cold brewing methods is that it is a longer, slower method and only uses cold water. It is a slow and gentle process, and as a result, it will extract less of the bitter components such as tannins. This method will bring out the delicate sweetness within the tea, and it will also bring out flavors that otherwise may be overshadowed when you're preparing your tea hot. The result will be a crisp, smooth, refreshing drink that you can enjoy at any time of the day. To prepare your cold brew tea, select the tea that you will be using. Today I'm going to be using our organic Gyokuro from Uji, Kyoto, which is this gorgeous tea here. Next, you will open up your Hario cold brew bottle and put your tea in the bottle. This one here has been pre-measured to 10 grams. You don't want to spill any. And the next step is to put in your cold water. So ideally you will be using filtered water. And the correct ratio is around 8 to 10 grams of tea for every 750 mils of water. So this bottle here is 750 mils. Fill it up with our water. Before putting the lid back on, always check that the filter is locked into place. So this here is removable, and it's important that you line up these parts here with those there. Lock it in place, twist it, make sure that it's secure, otherwise you'll end up with your filter in the bottle. Once it's secured, pop it onto the bottle, and it's as easy as that. So now it's ready to be stored in the fridge. We recommend allowing Gyokuro to brew for around 4 hours. It does brew quite quickly. Other teas such as hojicha and oolong, you would leave in for longer. They can even be left in overnight, so around 8 hours. One thing that I do want to highlight is Gyokuro is a very special tea. So this one may overbrew. After about 4 to 5 hours, I always separate the liquor from the leaves simply by pouring this into another jug or another bottle. The great thing about this is you can then pop in more cold filtered water on top of those already brewed leaves and do a second brew and a third brew and really make the most of your tea leaves. Not only does cold brew tea taste delicious, but it also has numerous health benefits. It's packed with antioxidants. The slow cold extraction means less caffeine. And it's also hydrating, so it's a great replacement for those sugary drinks that you may be reaching for during the day. Cold brew is an effortless way to enjoy your tea. So whether it's a really warm day or you want to experiment with something new, mizudashi is worth a try.